many people are joining the fold of Ahmadiyyat, especially in Africa. As missionaries here, what should be our main task to involve those people always in the Jamaat system?
First thing is that set your own examples. So those who are coming into the fold of Ahmadiyyat, why have they decided to come to join you? Because they feel that this is the true message. And true message should not only be by theory or just a verbal saying. It should be portrayed from your own self, from your own deeds, from your own actions, from your own behavior. So the first and foremost thing is this. And then, of course, above this is the prayer. And you will have to set your examples in every respect, with regards to your prayers, with regards to your piety level, with regards of sincerity in your faith, with regards to the example you set. So this is how you can attract more, and you can do good tarbiyat and training of those who are joining the fold. For the best training of the new converts, you should try to attach them with MTA and make it a point that every Ahmadi, every new convert at least listen to the Friday sermons.
Alhamdulillah, we Jamaat, right now we have in good connection, especially the Gambia. We have good connection with
the government.
Yeah, with the government. So how best can we be advising the government to always, stay on the right?
So see, ask the government to be honest and be the servant of the public. Sayyidul Qawmi Khadimuhum. That should be the advice to the government. So this is how they can play their role in the progress of their country and the betterment of their country. You see, these Europeans do not have some special brain in their heads. Only this thing is that they are honest to their nation and they are hardworking. So this is the only thing. If you adopt this and make it a point that you are practicing accordingly, then you will also flourish, and one day you can be the flag holder and banner holder of the whole world.